Techno update. Subscribe now.
The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a TPU case and a screen protector. For $150 you get a phone that looks just beautiful. It is curved on all 8 sides for aesthetics and a better grip, and it has a quality metal frame and a glass panel, which however feels more like a plastic to me. The button placement is quite terrible. I always keep pressing the volume keys instead of a power button. The 5.5-inch 1080p display is very good for a budget phone, and it can get really bright for a better outdoor visibility. Also, it is said to be covered with the Gorilla Glass 5. The home key has an integrated touchpad for convenient navigation, but you can also choose on-screen keys. The fingerprint scanner is accurate, but there is a slight delay between the recognition and the time when the display lights up. The Bl5000 is advertised as a dual-camera phone that has two 13-megapixel shooters for pictures for that blurred background effect. Make sure to stick till the end of this review to find out if it's true or not. There is no LED notification light, but there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera with LED flash. The loudspeaker quality is average. It definitely lacks depth and clarity. Gigabytes of expandable storage. The gaming performance is not bad, but you should expect some skipped frames on graphically intensive 3D games on the very highest graphics settings. Changing graphics settings to medium definitely helps solve this issue. Doogee built their custom skin on top of Android 7.0. The UI looks kind of cartoonish to me, but you can always throw in a custom launcher. There are quite a few added features like a new center, integrated theming engine, and some gesture and motion controls that work fine, but I don't really use them. Besides other features, there is a fast capture option that allows you to record a video straight from the standby mode. What is more important to me is that the phone is fast and responsive even after installing a lot of apps that usually run in the background. The image quality is decent, but it could be better. As usual to this category of budget phones, you can get some nice pictures, but some of them could have more detail, the colors could be more accurate, and the dynamic range adjustment is kind of average. The pictures taken in that bokeh mode will look pretty cool on Instagram, but this is more of a software trick rather than quality dual camera implementation. The low-light shots are kind of mediocre or even poor. Selfies could definitely have more detail, and the front-facing flash does not really help at night. 1080p video looks surprisingly good for a budget phone. Selfie video is being recorded only at 480p resolution, and the quality is quite bad. Same can be said about audio recording quality. The call quality is not the best, but it's pretty good. Other connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS work fine. Unfortunately, there is no gyroscope sensor, so you won't be able to use this phone with any VR headsets. A 5050 mAh battery is definitely one of the key selling points of this device. You should expect to use the phone for at least a couple of days, and that translates to about 9 hours of screen on time when using the phone quite intensively. The phone ships with a fast charger that fully charges the phone in less than 1.5 hours. The Doogee Bl5000 is a nice looking phone that has a sharp display, decent specs, great battery life, and a pretty good overall performance. As usual to most of the budget phones, the camera could be better. Also, the button placement is inconvenient, there is no gyroscope sensor, and LED notification light. All in all, the Doogee Bl5000 still offers quite a lot of value for the price, but I hope this review will be useful for you as I've mentioned all the pros and cons of this device.